decided to remodel the home because we had bought it about 10 years ago, and we didn't love the finishes, but we had young kids and we wanted to move in and use the house. But we had water damage, we had energy and inefficient windows and no insulation, and we were ready to move here full time, right?
That was a big factor. I was retired and we wanted him.
Both your team and Lauren's team, I thought, were really creative. So we had ideas, things in mind, and then our ideas would get expanded. And so it was really, really fun.
Probably at the top of that list is the front door. There were a few different ideas on what to do there, and we, decided on this big, grand window door.
And along with that, then was all the windows that made a cohesive front and back that matched that door. It really changed how the house operates and how it looks.
You had this vision for the windows, and when you showed me, it's like, okay, how do I actually make that happen though? And then start working through the different product offerings and laying it out.
And I think that's the other thing that your direction helped us do is I had some ideas, but you helped make it all come together and be cohesive. There were several moments in the project where things clicked. There were stages of it. When we first met Jeremy, we both went, yep, this is our guy. And then when Lauren and I worked and started really picking the mood and the ideas, and we started having direction, then it felt real.
I think there was one meeting in particular where I really understood what David's role was, and he would be drawing things, he would draw, certain concepts of millwork or whatever.
It's true. And later on in the project, when we did come for some of those meetings, or we would just come check on the progress, they cared about everything being just right. It is lovely, so beautiful, but it's also livable and comfortable, and it doesn't feel like a place you can't sit.
You want to be able to be comfortable in your house, in your home, right? And really live in it and feel like you can relax.
I remember when you were saying like, oh, I'd like to put a pot filler in my coffee bar. I was like, are you sure? I could see that being a catastrophe. And you're like, nope, I want it. I get it.
It's one of the best features of the house. My favorite is my office downstairs. I have a lot more space in there now. I have a great view of the lake while I'm doing work. I just love the finishings. The climate down there is in perfect control. It could instantly change it. It's a great room to be in. It's a great space. Very comfortable.
I have so many favorite spaces, but the space that makes me feel elegant, like I have an elegant home, is my bathroom, the master bathroom. That tile is so special, and the whole space now feels serene. It works better. It has a separate toilet room. We did a few little special things like the heated floor, and it just feels like a really sumptuous place.
This space to me, the kitchen and sitting room here, it's so cheerful. The coloring in the artwork. I know that the painting over here was, sort of a primary inspiration for a lot of the coloring in the space, but this to me is like the epitome of where family gathers. This space just has such nice flow to it, and it's just such a comfortable little space, and I love the coloring, and I love the way that the blue and the green and everything. I just love the way it looks.
It was a really fun project, and to collaborate with you guys on this, you were a true joy, and certainly one of my favorite clients of my career, and it was such an honor to get to have been a part of this project.
Can't thank you enough for letting us be a part of it. It was just a really fun project to be a part of, and I'm so glad that you're happy.
You're our favorite contractors too.
Thank you.